Yeah, Mr. Olumide is here again. I will be discussing on, can you afford a VA? How much a virtual assistant costs? Enjoy your viewing. 1. Don't make assumptions. Everyone has a different perception of what expensive means. This has never been more clear to me than right now, when I have the exact same conversation with two different clients and one responds with, hell yeah, let's do this, and another responds with, this is way outside my budget. I have taken a vow to never judge a potential client, or anyone, for that matter, on their money situation. And I can tell you from my own perspective that money is not an indicator of success or happiness. So don't for a second think that whatever is in your bank account is a determination of how successful you will or will not be. The bottom line is this: hiring help is an investment and you need to think of it that way. It's a new line item in your budget and new expense to account for. And you know, sometimes you have to forego that bottle of Dom Perignon with dinner for the sake of your investment. Or a new pair of Manolos. Sometimes you even have to take out a loan. Of course, have to is a strong phrase. You don't have to do anything. This is your life and your business. You can spend your money, time, and resources however you want. But isn't that the big goal in life? To spend your time, money, and resources on doing what you truly love. That's why help is even a thing people pay for. Nannies, dishwashers, cleaning crews, meal delivery services, and yes, virtual assistants. We're all here to help make your life better while making ours great, too. If you're struggling to feed your family or pay your rent, you might want to put your money there before you make any further investments. Gotta be reasonable here. But if you're ready to spend some money on hiring help, the sky is the limit. You can find someone who matches your budget. 2. How to calculate the cost of your virtual assistant. When I first started working as a virtual assistant, I googled something like assistant salary. This popped up a database that gave me an average salary for an executive assistant living and working in my city. So, I took that annual salary and divided it by 52 and then again by 40 to get an average hourly rate. 3. Many virtual assistants prefer a monthly retainer. The thing about being your own boss, which you are if you're a freelance virtual assistant, is that you need a reliable way to pay your bills. This is why many freelancers do it on the side of their full-time jobs. They haven't quite figured out a way to make their project income stable enough to turn into a full-time gig. 4. Project rates are also available. Have something you need to get done but it's a one-time project and not an ongoing type of thing? That's fine. Virtual assistants will usually price out a project based on estimated hours, plus any rush fees and revision time. 5. You can negotiate the rate. If a virtual assistant sends you a proposal for services and you don't like it, it's always within your rights to negotiate. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates.